Good morning, students. I am Praveen Thakur here with your Standard 3 Social Studies. Students, today I am going to start with the revision of Chapter 5, Our Pride, India Political. Let us see about our India and learn some more things, as it is some days before you have learned this chapter. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. The capital of India is New Delhi. India is in the Asian continent. India is the largest country and it is the second most populous country of the world after China. India is called a peninsula. So students, do you remember what is peninsula? A piece of land that is covered 3 sides with water and connected one side with land is called a peninsula. As you can see in this map, Arabian Sea, that is in the west of India, Indian Ocean in the south of our India, and Bay of Bengal is in the east of India. So 3 sides it is covered with water, and one side the border of other countries are there, so it is connected with the borders of other countries, a piece of land. So India is called a peninsula. These are the neighboring countries of our India: Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Maldives, Afghanistan, Myanmar, which was earlier called as Burma. Do you want to see on the map where these places are? Let's recall. So here is the map. At the topmost side on the northwest you can say is Afghanistan, below that Pakistan. Then on the northeast side we have Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and in the south we have Sri Lanka and Maldives, and 3 sides you can see covered with the water. So these are the bordering countries of India. Now let us learn about the government of India. The government of India, in short we call it as GOI, Government of India, and also we say it as the union government. The central government, we call it as the union government. Central government means it rules the whole of the country, or union government is the union government created by the Constitution of India. So central government we also call it as union government. This is the Parliament House. Here you can see the Prime Minister and other ministers. From the Parliament House, the whole of the country is ruled by the President, the Prime Minister and other ministers. So there are many other ministers like Transport Minister, Agriculture Minister, Education Minister, Welfare Minister, Railway Minister, Mining Minister. So there are textile minister, a lot of ministers are there. State government. So state government, the governor, it consists of the governor, chief minister and other ministers that is appointed by the people of the state. There are 2 houses, upper house and lower house, that is Rajya Sabha, lower house, and Lok Sabha. Judiciary, that is related to the court. We have many courts in the state. Civil court and high court is the highest in the state, and there are other district courts, that is in small towns and districts. High court is the highest in the state, and there is more higher than that we have Supreme Court. There is only one Supreme Court in the whole of the country, and that is in New Delhi. This is the chart of the central government. The President, Prime Minister and Council of Ministers, that is like Just now called out the names of some of the ministers: transport, health and railway, textile, coal and mining, agriculture, education. So many ministers are there, and their responsibility is to put the law and order into effect. That is, that each and everyone follows the law. It has two houses, Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha. Supreme Court of India. It makes laws and it sees that each and every state and the country follows the law. The law is the same for each and every state and for the whole country, and it shows that everyone follows that law and order. Now these are the states of our country. Let's recall once more the states and their capitals. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati. We will go alphabetical order. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Simla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bangalore. Now it is called Bengaluru. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Thiruvananthapuram. Many of you get confused by saying this name. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Imphal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Here you can see two more figures. These are the area, in how much area that state is, and this is the population of that state. 6,10,95,297 is the population of Karnataka. Same way other states also. Some are very less, very small states. Some are very big states, so more good in crores, and some in lakhs. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. So before, had you heard this name, Telangana? This is the newest state that was formed in 2014. Tripura, Agartala. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. West Bengal, Kolkata. So 28 states and their capitals. Let's see the union territories. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Capital, Port Blair. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman. Delhi, New Delhi. Delhi is also the capital of India and is a union territory. We call it as NCT in short, that is National Capital Territory. Jammu and Kashmir, in summer season, Srinagar is the capital, and in winter season, Jammu is the capital. Ladakh, Leh. Lakshadweep, Kavarati. Puducherry, Puducherry. Lakshadweep is known to be the smallest union territory. So students, do you remember which is the biggest state and which is the smallest state? The biggest state is Rajasthan area wise, and the smallest state of India is Goa. But in population, Uttar Pradesh has the highest population in the state. So the central government, the state government, the chief minister, governor, they look after the state. Who looks after the union territories? The union territories are directly governed by the central government. That is, the president looks after and prime minister, they look after this union territories. But they appoint one lieutenant governor. Each and every union territory has a lieutenant governor who looks after the state and directly reports to the central government. So students, this was a quick recap of our chapter, Our Pride India. Why our pride? Because we are proud to be Indians, isn't it? So thank you students and take care.